Today, Bakenyi from Agago district is a serious news. The RDC of the district, that is Kidega has cancelled or halted the ongoing recruitment process, citing corruption, bribery, and nepotism, or what some people prefer to call it tribalism. Before I play you the video of his own statement, let's read together the letter which he commanded with this thing. The Secretary, Agago District Service Commission, PO Box 1, Agago. Dear Sir, Madam, reason, notification to cancel the recent jobs advert shortlist and interviews dated the 1st April 2025. Reference is made to the subject of this letter due to lodge complaint by the unshortlisted applicants, both from Health and Education departments, as below. Number 1, unfairness on the former LRA captives. For over 6 times reference is made to the complaint letter of Mr. Waraj Kenneth as attached. Sister Along Girls, Opa Head Teacher Arumubung, Okidi Dennis, Machai Florence 90, and other 50 applicants. The second one is certifications of license numbers for the medical work. The third one is, beside all other complaints that needs all our attention, our cooperation and truth will help us to develop the district. Thanks, yours in service. Signed, Kidega James Labinson, our resident district commissioner. The contract is there, and carbon copies to several other people. And now via Celebrity Empire Africa, Kidega now has made a statement after this letter. And here is the statement.
You're welcome. My name is Kidega, and commonly called NOC, RDC Agago. Today I am not happy, as I am shocked to get actually register this kind of complaint in my office. I've been hearing a lot, but there was no evidences that was pushed to my office. But today I got evidences on how the recruitment of Agago local government was practically done. It was not good, because the complaint, when you see the complaint, you find out that there's something that was going on. This promoted and pushed me as the representative of the president to write a letter to the commission, first to all this process, because when you look at the process, there are a lot of loopholes and there are a lot of issues that is coming out as a corruption motive. So we need to have more investigation on this matter. I had a conversation with Cow to find out what is his opinion on this. Cow also actually adored with me and said, it is true, there are certain things that were not necessary for them not to solicit other people. So this is what is advised to the secretary. He talked to the secretary, but the thing has happened. Now, what pains me is I want out of the 50 complaint, I want to give only 2. But the one which is painful is this one, the ex-LRA, who came back to the community, joined education department, went up to the university, studied very well, came back as a teacher in Agago district. He told me, actually showed me the application he did 4 times, but he has not been shortlisted. But he has all the papers. He said he has all the papers. So, and this is unfortunate, because he told me there are people who are following him up from home. One of them is part of the commission, which is also in asking him, following him about this. That's why he's not being shortlisted. And others, the second one, they're talking about health. Their certificate that should be first verified by the ministry, which Kao said no, that can be if he has qualified, It is now it's a procedure. It doesn't stop him from being solicited. So this is not what this government wants. This is not, the president was very clear and said we need to come out very strong to fight this kind of act. That's why I've written, I want to hear their response or to this thing, so that we sit and this is reorganized. The opportunity is given to people. Give opportunity to people, not saying this is my relative, this is what I will given me money, this is what this. I think others are pre-given the information on what should be submitted. There are evidences that they have written, they have given that thing. So as the RDC, as the representative of the president, I will not allow this in the district, in my district, Agago. The stakeholders should be aware. I've consulted most of them on this matter. I'm now even putting it in, I'll put it in writing, and I'll wait for like about 3-4 days to hear the response on this. Thank you very much. And this is also warning to our community, the people who apply for jobs. The government is very clear. We have policies on how people should acquire the job in this country, in the district. But there are those who go ahead to bribe the commission. They bring in their money by force. So it's like a dog with meat. A dog cannot deny meat. If you really leave your meat just anyhow, they jump on it, they crap on it, they will try to enjoy it. So this is my warning to our people. Please, you also be part of the corruption. If you give the money to these people by force to buy your way, please buy your way through interview. Let your paper speak. Not you differently from your paper. The people is different. Here is here, his paper is here. It's quite different person. Two people at the same time. So let's not. You see, like they give them money, then after that, after not getting the job, they start crying. When you tell them give evidences, they don't even have a proper evidences. So getting these people, holding these people accountable for their act becomes very difficult. Then they said we are weak. We are part of it. We are not part of this. This is what I wanted to tell them. This is what I want to say. Thank you very much.
So that is all. There has been highly growing complaint of nepotism in the recruitment processes of our district, but people had not got evidence for several years. And now this step of Kidega now is making a lot of people very happy. If what Kidega says that they have the evidence is true, then I think this could be the beginning of a smile on the faces of several victims of this unfair recruitment at the district. Thank you.